Google Opal versus n8n. In this 2025 comparison, we'll see which automation tool is better. Make sure to like and subscribe. First up is Google Opal. This is Google's AI-powered automation system. It integrates tightly with Google Workspace, Gmail, Docs, Sheets, and Calendar. It's easy to use and ideal for automating inside the Google ecosystem. Now, n8n. It's an open source automation tool that connects APIs and services. You can build workflows with nodes, integrate third party apps, and customize logic in detail. It's flexible but requires some setup. Now, let's hop on to features. Google Opal automates Google Apps with AI suggestions, while n8n lets you connect almost any apps through APIs. Second is learning curve. Google Opal is straightforward for workspace users, while n8n requires more learning, but power users loves its flexibility. Third is customization. Opal is limited to Google Apps, while n8n allows deep custom workflows across hundreds of platforms. For its ideal audience, Google Opal is best for businesses fully in Google Workspace, while n8n is perfect for developers, agencies, or teams needing wide integrations. For its value, Opal is convenient and native, while n8n is more powerful, but it has custom needs. So, if you live in Google ecosystem, Opal is the way to go. But if you want full control and integration, n8n is a stronger choice. Now, you can pick the best automation tool for your workflow in 2025. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.